Here are the next couple examples using long division. Remember that this first part here is the dividend, and the second part here is the divisor. The divisor always goes on the outside, and the dividend always goes on the inside. Now we take the first term from the dividend, which is 2x to the fourth. We divide that by the first term from the divisor, which is 2x. That gives us an answer of x cubed. So we put that over here in the quotient part. Now we multiply x cubed to the divisor. So that gives us 2x to the fourth plus 9x to the third. Now subtract, and we get 12x to the third. Bring down the next term and divide again. 12x to the third divided by 2x. That gives us 6x squared. Put that at the top. And we take our 6x squared and multiply it to the divisor. And that will give us 12x cubed plus 54x squared. Now we're going to subtract. And that will give us negative 16x squared. Bring down the next term. Repeat. So that means divide. Take the first term, negative 16x squared, divided by the first term from the divisor, which is 2x. And we get an answer of negative 8x. Put that up at the top. Multiply negative 8x to the divisor, you get negative 16x squared minus 72x. Now we're going to subtract. That will leave us with negative 4x. Bring down the final term of negative 25, and we're going to divide again. First term from the dividend is negative 4x. First term from the divisor is 2x. Divide that, we get negative 2. Put that up at the top. Multiply negative 2 to the divisor, you get negative 4x minus 18. Now we need to subtract that, and we get an answer of negative 7. So negative 7 doesn't have an x anymore, which means it is the remainder. So we're going to put plus negative 7 over 2x plus 9. There is your quotient or answer for this problem. One more example using long division. Remember that the divisor goes on the outside. The dividend goes on the inside. Notice that there's no x term, so I'm just going to add in a 0x before putting the plus 10. This will just give me a space just in case I end up with x's and have to combine them. Take the first term from the dividend divided by the first term from the divisor. You get x squared. So put that on the top. Again, line them up. Multiply the x squared to the divisor. You get x to the fourth plus x to the third. And now we subtract these and it gives us 0. So we're going to bring down the next term, negative 5x squared. Negative 5x squared divided by x squared is negative 5. Put that on top. Now remember to line it up. negative 5 times the divisor, you get negative 5x squared minus 5x. And we're going to subtract that. Now I'm going to bring down this 0x so that it can go with this negative 5x. When I subtract, that gives me 0, and that gives me positive 5x. And I bring down the next term of plus 10. Now x is smaller than x squared, which means 5x plus 10 is the remainder. So I put a plus 5x plus 10 over the top of x squared plus x. And here is my answer.